Hi, Darla. Oh, you waved hello. Oh, nice. Would you like a cricket? Would you like a cricket? Oh, you're polite. Good girl. Yum. Was that good? Was that yummy? Was that good, cricket? Was it yummy? Yeah? Oh, good girl. Oh. Did you like the cricket? Was it yummy? Oh, I thought so. Do you have anything else to say for yourself? Yeah. Good girl. Was that a yummy cricket? Oh, really? You gonna want another one? Oh, you're still working on the first one. So, you good? Yeah. Good burp. Any more? Oh, good girl. You have the best burps, Darla.